I'll go my boss.
Yeah, the boss. You have a head boss package, you know?
Yes, I'm going to deliver a set boss package.
Yeah, man, right here, low here, you know? The low, the color. Yeah, there, low here, see there? You have a Toyota Corolla, you know?
Alright, big up myself, my boss. Don't know.
Right, you know?
Yeah, man. Welcome, peeps. Welcome back to the channel, Motorsportja. Yeah, man, if you see me now with Motorsportja shirt, you know, you don't know saying I get that update, though. Right now, I'm there, Bossy D garage. So, the latest on Bossy D. So, right now, Bossy D engine blue. So, I put out a video around a month ago. Bossy D explaining what happened, what caused his engine to blow. So, a few persons saw the video and decided that they wanted to help Bossy D get his car back up and running. So, I want to big up Merrick from M Powerhouse. I also want to big up Jay from One Stock F30. Those persons sponsor Bossy D a few parts to get his car up and running because I don't know, they want to see him hold the steering and boom head and shift gear them. I don't know a Bossy D thing that, you know. Yeah, man, so big up to those persons for actually seeing that Bossy D needs the help and do something and say, yeah, man, I'm going to sponsor Bossy D. So this one now, they reach out to Nick Lowe. They reach out to Nick Lowe. Nick Lowe received the package. Nick Lowe sent it down on Tara. Bossy D is going to get the package today. But right now, Bossy D is not in the garage. So Bossy D, you know what I say? The delivery man there. When I say delivery man, pick up yourself. Yeah, man, Bossy D, you know what I say? Delivery man there. So when I ride in for the scooter, you have to get a little video with my riding. You want to see the expression on your face. You see me? See, delivery man in that place now. This I'm going to deliver a package. Where you work for me, boss?
Toyota Corolla.
Alright, Toyota Corolla. Big up Nick Lowe, he make it reach Westmoreland because it was in Kingston, so the package is now in Westmoreland. Right here. Bossy D, know say package there. So I give him a surprise. So stay tuned. Watch out, peeps. See the man, you know, the man himself.
Yeah.
Where you going, Bossy D?
There, you know.
You don't know what I'm going to the Bossy D. You don't know what I'm going to know. Right, the package they reach, the brother. Yeah, man.
Then that's a good look, man.
We say a good look.
What do you mean, man? You know, so long you said park up in a year.
So you feel about that, man?
Yo, you know, say fans, you want to see it. And you know, so the road out, you know, so enjoyment and a whole for happiness. You understand me, I say?
Yeah.
So, it's a good look and it's a good enjoyment. As we say again, big up, sponsor them same way.
Yeah,
you understand me, I
yeah.
say? So I have to big up all who go all over to see me machine up and running, you see me?
Right.
Appreciate it all the way. You do for me. I care more. And the amount of thanks me can do now.
Yo, look at man full up a cold bump people, watch your man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, so right now we're going to unbox the package so we can see one night, right?
Yeah, man. This is it, boss, up and running. Yeah. Listen, I think this. Yeah, man. I go with this, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hey, say machine up here now.
Every Bossy D, man, that you know, I'm happy to see this, man.
Yo. Enjoyment, I mean, that, you know, cuz.
What you say?
Enjoyment, you know, man. Hey, a whole pa boy face, I'll get kicking with them there, you know. Tell me, I tell her that. I'm going to say again, Merrick, Jay, big up yourself. Whole heap of respect, whole heap of love. Yo, I can't tell how much, yo, the amount of thanks to me I try. Yo, I can't, yo, too much. Thanks again a million times, brother. You understand? Appreciate it. Go all out. Nitro, big up yourself again. You're part of it. Can't leave you out. You understand? See how the little man will push out. Make you a Somali baby, then give me same way. Big up on yourself, same way. Appreciate it, same way. You understand? So, I feel big up, same way. You understand? Motorsport can't leave you out. You understand? Nick Lowe, big up yourself on the same way. You four make you reach on your same way, go all out same way. Darren, big up again. So before me even bust you out, a whole heap of love, a whole heap of respect. You understand? Because you know say the world wants to see machine up. You understand? Yeah, so Right now, if you don't know how, if a man don't know how me feel inside, you know. You know, so me get what I want for me, you know, me enjoyment. You know? Yeah. Cause this is my love and my sport and everything, you know, man. You understand? So you know, so when this done, you know, me done, you know, man. You understand? You see, from the up, me up. You get to me, I say?
Yeah, I see you smile for your face, Bossy D, man.
One here, man. You know how long I don't feel so happy, man. So, you have to say, yo, big up him again. Fly up, work me back, say, and so on, and, you know, check out the goodie there. Right, you know, I feel in life, I can't find where I'm so, you know, where I'm so ancestor, you know? You know how long I wait for this? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See them? Yeah. See me? I feel big up this, you know. Yeah. I feel drop some upon the weight. Weight Africa first, you know. Don't know. So your foot them big. Yeah. I don't know. So yo, when them foot you step in a boy face and nothing normal, you know. Yellow. Look upon them. Remember, you know, your war is on now. But I feel like I get way. You understand? Take you out of your bag, make you can see it. Take you out, make a good, take a good look upon it. Yellow, look upon the foot them. And the heavy foot, you go step in your face. Look upon them. You know, no light foot or step to your face. You understand? Yeah, it will flatten it out. Oh. You think you can manage the four of them, Yellow? Hold on, let me see. My rings. See me? Yeah, man. See it? Yeah, man. Everything up. Fully effect, man. Fully effect. Fully effect. Fully effect.
So Bossy D, you think you can get the machine up and running for King Ashore?
Yo, buy a quick man this up and running, man. All me a wait pan, I just them me a wait pan. And you know, the enjoyment and come back in it. You don't know, say yo. You know, so I'm in a machine, you know, man, and I start go through down the track, you know, man. I dance to my rhythm.
Yo, show you dance your rhythm, Bossy D.
God, man. Yo, you really also me a dance it again. I tell me I kill him.
I'm do a look at something like in a inch apart, I video bongs my head.
No, but look here, I don't know about nobody else. So when I sit down on my head, you see me I go down the line, down the track, dance me I dance to the rhythm of my engine. You understand? That's my music when me I go down there. I'm happy. All when me lose, I'm happy with the same way. When I win, happy. Get what me I say? This hey, you think my life you see look so? Oh, I'm talking to man. Yo. See that? Yo. You don't see Z-Band top end. You understand? Remember, you know, man, I make people know, say, you know, man, 2ZZ, you know, man. You don't have to do no weapon nothing to it till you get bad, you know. You understand? 75 shot of nitrous me use pan here run 12-3. And just one management alone, I put on pan before I put nitrous pan here run, watch out. Low 13, without the trouble of the engine. You understand? He said, no, you don't whip a bag of rare, you know, forget fast, you know, but that's how you do it. You get what me I say? Yeah. So, see it here. So you don't know. So, me have everything and
alright, so for the fans, so for the viewers that don't know what are these, so tell them what are these.
Man.
Tell them what are these, Bossy D.
Yeah, man, them are the piston, them, you see me?
Right?
Yeah. Them are valve. Them are rod. You understand? And them are spring. Them are spring. You understand? So, you know, say, a strongness we are dealing with no weakness.
Alright, so when you do all of that upgrade now to your car, how much shot of nitrous you can put on it?
No, be honest with you. Well, me have 125 on it right now and in a normal. So right now, me I hike it up to 150. You get what me I say? And that's the thing there right now, probably more. Because when me I do to it now, yeah. And it's not normal, you understand? So as I say again, I have to big up my sponsor. You know? Push out all of them, you know, to make it thing up and reach me. You get what me I say? And as I say again, you look man the way, do the little thing. You see my machine up and running, respect that and appreciate it. And I love that. You understand? Because guess what? I see some of Bossy D fans. I want to respect Bossy D through the sport. You get what I say? So I have to big up all of the money we go all out. As I say, Nitrous, big up yourself again. Motorsport, I can make this go to the world and people do what they have to do and rare. You understand me? I say? So as I say again, well, if I respect and you want me again, I have to big up Dangle the same way. Can't lift him out. I can't remember everybody's name, but big up all of my fans them. But love me and respect me. You understand? Yeah. So, don't know things set again. Nick Lou, big up yourself again. Now left you out. Get what me I say? Not care what happen. You still go all over see me for you know for them reach me. See me? So, well for respect and well for energy, well for thanks. You see me? Yeah man.
Boy, Bossy D, from morning, I see I eat a big food this morning and drink a chew juice. No, I see I drink another chew juice and I eat another food. Bossy D, look how you sleep. What is the food you got, brother?
Listen me, I said to you, you have to treat your body good.
Yeah.
Because guess what, I have 2 machines. Now look at 12 volt. You understand? I know look at 10 volt can't spin the motor there.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say, because when you know, so you have blaze in the machine, then you have to dip and peak at the, you have to name right. If you name wrong, if you name wrong,
yeah, that is it. Alright, my boss.
Let me can know some see there.
Yo, Bossy, you look crave still a Bossy.
No, you can't say me crave.
Yeah.
Eat right.
They eat right.
Curry good.
Curry good.
Faster. I mean, I drink chubby.
Yeah, you don't drink chubby.
No, I drink good juice.
Yeah.
You understand me? That's why I get so much pitney, you know. You understand me? I say, yeah, that's why I get so much pitney because you want to know the back now week.
Alright, Bossy D.
Some man light, you know, because I guess what now. So they go up, we hold them up, them turn back on them back. So you know, I'm big old black on them back, then go back down. You understand me? I say, no, when I go up now, I come back, I come like a lead, I heavy.
Alright, Bossy D. So as liquor as you be, you're heavy.
Yeah.
Alright,
you understand me? I say, what you mean, man?
Alright, big up yourself, my boss.
Yeah.
Alright, peeps, so that was Bossy D, always giving a little joke, you know? Yeah, man, so stay tuned for update, you see me?
Let me say again, cut it right there, you understand me? I say, yeah.